This catalytic cycle is used because osmium tetroxide is too toxic. And so the assessment asks, how could we make this reaction even more sustainable, given that, as shown, NMO is used to regenerate the osmium tetroxide, but right now we need a full equivalent? Well, one of the ways that we could fix that would either use some separate catalytic cycle to regenerate NMO from NMM. That might create the additional problem of whatever is this co-oxidant that's being used. The other thing to think about is when we generate a product of this reaction, right now we have NMM as a byproduct that we need to get away from it. And so we could further green the process by figuring out how to recover the NMM as opposed to wasting it. We could potentially attach the NMO to a solid phase to make it more easily recoverable so that whatever purification we do is not energy or time or material intensive. So thinking about some of those things is how green chemists would further green or make processes more sustainable with each future iteration.